Hello friends, we are starting new series on Python for civil engineers. Here we go very fundamentally related with Python for civil engineers and its usefulness. So what is Python? Python is a programming language that is used to write programs, solve programs, analyze data, automate tasks. So think the Python as a tool or language that's for computers. So applications for civil engineers. So it is used in automation sector for repetitive calculations like for design, load calculation and cost estimations. Furthermore, it can be used for handling of large data sets like traffic data, survey data, rainfall data. Another applications for civil engineer using Python is data visualizations, where you can make graphs. Along with that, custom engineering tools can be created using project specific conditions and programs. Another application of Python for civil engineer is used in structural analysis, where you can solve complex problems like FEM and large computation. So another most important advantage is the machine learning using Python for prediction. Another advantage is efficient project planning and decision making using data-driven insights of Python. So you can integrate with engineering softwares like AutoCAD, GIS or other tools using Python codes. So another application of Python is career and research advantage for civil engineers. Confused? Python versus Excel. So Excel works manually with cells, Python automate tasks with code and logic. So we don't need to replace Excel, just we need to upgrade our skills. So like, share and subscribe, receiving. Thanks for watching.